Dirty lens.
Okay, so the way to open the window is to use this little lever. You hook it up and then you unlock the door here and then you turn this and it opens the window. Now eventually there will be an electric motor that I plan to put right here onto it, and then I will hook it up to my Wi-Fi system and then just hit open, and then it will just automatically start turning. That way I don't have to ever do this.
So, depending on the angle or the degree you want the windows to open,
Yeah.
how does that work?
Well, so I will be able to program it to only turn the motor, you know,
At any angle you want,
yeah,
degree,
the correct number of times.
like
yeah.
20 degrees, 10...
So you can count it, right? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say I like this. And then let's say 11, 12, 13. Okay, so the max is 13. I don't want it to ever turn more than 13 times. So if I can program it to go up to, let's say, 11 times, anytime I say open windows all the way, it will turn 11 times. Now if I say open the window half the way, it might only turn 5.5 times. So that's kind of how I'm imagining this will be eventually. Right now, I still need to look up the technology I will end up using to make this whole thing work. So, you know, good old-fashioned hand movement is just fine. But over time, if the house is too warm, for example, if it reaches a certain degrees, there will be a thermometer inside, of course. If it reaches a certain degrees, and I don't like it to be that much, I will program it to automatically open maybe 1 or 2 of the windows to get cross ventilation going. Anything on there? Okay, so just one more time I'll go inside and we'll screw this one in. Okay, I'm ready to screw this guy in.
So there's Himanshu doing his watching the chickens. Oh, just introducing you to the camera.
Eating lunch.
Must be Jimmy John's.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
You should eat Jimmy John's. It's pretty good.
So good, yeah. And healthy.
Better and cheaper than Subway.
That's right. The chickens are just hanging out on my foot.
What you build there, Himanshu?
So I'm building an external storage system outside the tiny house. Basically, I've got an 18-inch extension to the tiny house in length, and this is where all the brains of the tiny house will be, such as the hot water heater, as well as the electrical panel and hookups for water and electricity. And then if I do solar, I want to store all the batteries here. I'm building the shelves currently, and I will add doors. So you can open the doors, fix the propane, fix the batteries, fix the hot water heater, whatever you need. You can store camping equipment here if you wanted to.
You press F on the keyboard to select your favorite clip, right?
I think so. Oh yeah.
On Final Cut?
Building this storage system outside.
You do have to pay taxes on this house, right?
Yeah.
When you own it.
Yes.
As with any car and house.
Yeah.